Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a project plan in ClickUp. So if you want to do this, the first thing that I'm going to do is click right here on the plus icon and create a new list for this. And then we call this project planning. There we go. Then we do create. And then if you go to the three dots right here, we can select the three dots. And then we go right here to templates. And while I'm doing this, you can also go immediately to space, go to the three dots and then go to templates. But you can also do this on this way. Then right now we go to search templates and we fill in right here project plan. And then you will get here some nice templates. We find right here event project plan. Now you have more options right here, so decide for yourself in which niche you want to use that plan. So let's go for today. Let's see, event project plan. So we click on it, then we do use template, and then we give this a name. So we call this project plan. Now team space is fine. We can input options if you want to do that and start and due dates. But for now, it's just an example. So we click here on use template to use that template. So now he's applying the template to our workspace right here. So there we go. And you can read right now the started guide. So they explain you everything in detail what this project plan does. So you can read right here everything, but if you go right here to event list, you will find right here a nice planning with all the events with location, start date, due dates. Now you can change right here also the names at roles if you want to do that. But right here, for example, we have webinars, networking, VIP experience, conference, and masterclasses. So yeah, you can change exactly everything. So click on it and then change it right here. You can also change the statuses right here. And to be honest, this is a nice project planning that you can use and create to your own task right here. So this is a nice template that you can use and it's very easy to change everything. So this is the best way how you can create a project plan in ClickUp. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.